Alright, what's up guys? It's Evan from howtosbybros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a press at home for beginners. I'm going to be showing you two ways to do a press. I'm going to show you the frog stand, which is the first one, and then I'm going to show you a straddle press to handstand, okay? For the frog stand to handstand, the first thing is obviously a frog stand, which looks like this, which you should be able to do like easy. Just like go up and do it and hold it for a little bit. What you do, just have your hands how you would for a handstand, and then you're gonna bend your elbows and then let your top of your shins rest on your triceps. Okay, so basically right here is gonna be on your tricep, and that's what's gonna make you hold up. Okay, so here and then there. Alright, so for this one, you want to get the right angle so that when you kick up, you're not kicking up, or when you kick up, you're not kicking up that way and you just fall down, or that way where you try to walk or you fall backwards. Okay, so just gotta find that right angle. It's just gonna take you a few times, but yeah, here, and then you're gonna lean forward slightly, and then you're gonna do that motion with your shoulders, and then you're gonna do right there. As you see, I'm like doing this, getting ready to push my legs up. Okay, so once you get that right there, all you need to do, your arms are gonna be around here. Kick your legs up, not kick, press your legs up, and then extend your arms. Okay, so I'll show you that here. Okay, that's pretty much it for the first one. Alright, so for the second one, straddle press to handstand, it's going to be a little bit harder than the first one. This one, there's a few progressions you can do, and one of them is on the wall, so I'll show you that right now. Alright, so what you're going to do basically, the farther your hands are from the wall, the easier it is. Okay, so since I'm sure none of you have like super good wrist flexibility, you might want to turn your hands like this, just for the purpose of not breaking your wrist. But start out maybe like, what's that, a foot from the wall, and then leaning here, and then just practicing going up. So here, and then doing that. Okay, doing those and progressively getting closer to the wall until you can do it without the wall. Okay, so that's gonna be the best progression. If you just do that every day, just practice that for a little bit, you'll get the press in no time. Okay, for learning the press, it's not that hard. It's gonna be really hard if you have completely straight arms. I don't know if I can do that right now, but you definitely want to work up to that. But it's okay if you bend your arms at first. Okay, so here you're gonna start off with straight arms, and then you're gonna lean forward, and then what I do is I go off of my toes. I slowly go up, 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 and then drag my toes a little bit, so that so I know I'm not cheating and I'm not jumping up. Okay, because you can just do this and think you're doing a press, but you're just jumping up. So I like to drag my toes to make sure I don't cheat at all. Okay, so here, lean forward, drag, drag, and then that's pretty much it. You're letting your shoulders and your core and your legs do the rest of the work. It's a pretty difficult thing to do. Now, most people can just do it right off the bat, but if you practice it a lot, practice it on the wall, you should be able to get it. Okay, so I'll show you. Alright guys, that's the video. Thanks for watching. That's how to do a press handstand at home for beginners.